Hey guys, Tony here. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on Doggy. The only real, I mean, I'm really only gonna explain one thing. It's this trend line down here from the fib retracement that's been showing us right now. So far, right now, we are getting to the edge. We already crossed on the 4-hour side, so we're doing pretty well. Price is holding steady at around 0.009, around 1 cent. So I mean, there's really no reason, right? We've been trading up and down. We've been trading sideways around this level, right? So we've been staying pretty flat in this price range, which is completely okay. The real big move is going to come in the next maybe 2 days. We need to break this trend line. If we don't, if we shoot up like this and then stay on this trend line, if we don't break to the upside, we're more than likely going to be going down this way. You guys can see this trend line right here. In the next like 2 or 3 days, we're definitely going to be either breaking towards the upside and continuing a new trend up. We're probably going to go up, retest down this support level, and then shoot back up. Or we're probably going to trade right here and then just have like a big drop all the way down here, and then probably go back up, test resistance, and then go all the way back down. Go back up, test resistance, go all the way back down. Go back up, test resistance, and then go all the way back down until we hit this level, right? So the next 2-3 days, pretty important. We need to break this trend line right here. If we don't break this trend line, more than likely we are going to be heading all the way back down, I think, to either 0.005 or all the way back down to 0.004. That's basically how I see it. We need to break this trend line. So in the next 2 or 3 days are going to be very important. So I'd say probably by Tuesday, Wednesday, we already know what direction we're headed. If by Wednesday we're up here and we break this trend line, I think I 100% think we're going to see 2 cents. If by Wednesday we don't break this trend line and we're down here somewhere, we're more than likely going to go back to 0.005, or we're going to go all the way back down to 0.004, to the last 2 support zones right here. Because right now we're trading between this price range. In between 0.009 and 0.005, there is no support, there is no resistance. This is the only price range that it's going to trade. So if we do see down here, it's going to go all the way back down to 0.005, because there is no support, there is no resistance right here in this area. So we can definitely go all the way back down to 0.005 if we don't break this trend line right here.